Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Garlic Press Rocker. Crush garlic effortlessly. Tired of getting garlic all over your hands and workstation? This garlic press rocker saves you time and effort by pressing garlic easily. It is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel that is built to last even the most pressing tasks. Mince garlic in seconds. Ergonomically constructed with an arc shape and non-slip soft rubber handle that provides maximum comfortability, especially when exerting force while doing the back-and-forth rocking motion. Its length of 4.3 inches and width of 2 inches is large enough to press garlic cloves continuously. Ideally sized, its length of 4.3 inches and width of 3 inches is large enough to press garlic cloves continuously, making it possible to easily produce uniform-sized minced garlic in much less time. Perfect for handling any sort of rocking pressure when your recipes call for one or dozens of garlic cloves. Cheese grater. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the Rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our Rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. for salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Easy to clean. This Rotary cheese grater is detachable in all parts, making it simple to clean. Just wash it under a stream of water for a few seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Juicer machines. 5.8-inch larger feed chute. The juicer machines designed with 5.8-inch feeding chute large enough for whole vegetables and fruits instead of shredding. Combined with the smart safety lock function, the cold-pressed juice machines will be stopped once the lid opened, ensuring the safety of your family. Slow juicer cold press. With the 55 RPM low-speed squeezing and grinding technology for the fruit juicer machine, it effectively avoids heat generation and oxidation, retain the maximum retention of nutrients, and keep the original natural flavors of the fruits. Dual strainers non-clogging. Masticating juicer equipped with double layer of the strainers for twice filtering through 0.3 mm mesh, reducing the clogging and no residue of the juice from the juicer machines, with the high juice yield up to 99%, making every drop worthwhile. Lemon squeezer. Squeeze out every drop of juice. Our 2-in-1 lemon squeezer won't waste a single drop from your favorite fruit. We have designed this lime juicer to be easy on hands. Watch limes, lemons, and small oranges beg for mercy, even with a soft squeeze. The holes at the bottom of the citrus juicer serve as a seed filter to prevent the pulp and seeds from getting in your way. Save time and space. You no longer have to worry about power, replacing batteries, or even bulky juicers crowding your kitchen counter with our easy-to-store citrus squeezer. Rotary Food Mill. Premium stainless steel craftsmanship. Built to last, our food mill is made from heavy-duty stainless steel that resists rust, warping, and wear, even when working with hot foods like stewed tomatoes or boiled apples. It's not only a food mill, but can double as a colander or steamer for added versatility in your kitchen. Effortless turning with ergonomic handle. Say goodbye to sore arms. Our ergonomic rotary handle with a spring-loaded lever delivers smooth, low-resistance turning, making food prep quicker and easier for everything from silky mashed potatoes to homemade applesauce. Stable secure on bowls and pots. Thoughtfully designed side hooks, ears, rest securely on a wide range of bowls and pots, keeping the mill steady while you work. Each hook is double welded for added stability, so you can mill with confidence and control. Pasta strainer clip. Quick draining on strainer is designed for efficient draining. Its easy-to-use mechanism allows for quick separation of liquids from solids, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Easy storage. This strainer's compact size means it takes up minimal space in your kitchen, making it an ideal choice for those with limited storage. Its slim profile allows for easy storage in cabinets or drawers, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Convenient clip design. Our pasta strainer features an innovative clip design that easily attaches to various sizes of pans, pots, or bowls. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Cooking torch. Safe, sturdy cream brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use, with 3 butane adapters included. It's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs, max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Pasta pot. Twist lock handles. Strain out water seconds. Simply twist the handles and drain out the water. No strainer needed. The ultimate kitchen gadget. The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is 3 kitchen gadgets combined into a single pot. The first kitchen gadget included is the strainer lid. Strain your pasta with the built-in strainer lid. No need for a colander. The second kitchen gadget included our twist and lock handles. Keep your hands safe with the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot's twist and lock handles. Lastly, get rid of all the sticky situations. Food comes right out of the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot with the ultra non-stick ceramic coating. Multi-purpose pot. Great for pasta, spaghetti, and anything else that cooks on the stove. Use the strainer or not. This pot is designed for all types of foods and is oven safe. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Yuliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The shabu shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness.